I feel like it's like 4 hours later. I'm exhausted. I don't know, guys. I cannot go to the stores anymore. Going to the stores, it just makes me so tired. It's just so many people all the time everywhere. I cannot even decide when I want to buy. It's just too much stuff for me. Then I saw this beauty advent calendar in action. And I was like, let's just peek inside. Let's just see what we can find there.
Celebrate the holiday season with this Max and More Deluxe Beauty Advent Calendar. Behind each door awaits a different beauty surprise, making each day leading up to the festives a special moment to cherish. Whether you are treating yourself or surprising a loved one, this calendar promises to infuse a touch of delight into the holiday.
I would say we will just go into the products. First product is this brown pencil. I feel like the color is pretty good for me. Number 2. Highlighter cream, which looks pretty good. Also the color is like this rosish, goldish, brownish. Looks nice, I would say. Alright, so number 3 are those, how is it called actually? You're supposed to paint your eyebrows in this shape. I don't think so, this is a good idea, but number 4 is this setting powder. I hope you can see it. It's very, very white. Doesn't smell like anything. Number 5. This is for nails, guys. I feel like I have also never ever tried this. You're supposed to stick it onto your nails. I feel like this is gonna be disaster. Number 6. This glitter eyeliner, pinkish orange color. Interesting. 7 right here. Spot patches. Those are on your pickles. I don't luckily have so much pickles, so yeah, I have never ever used those. I guess I'm lucky. Number 8. That's really hard to get it out all. We have the another pencil. This is the, I don't understand this. It says it's makeup pencil. So I guess we can use it for eyes, for brows, for everything. The next one is 9 and this one is huge. That's gonna be probably eyeshadow palette. I mean, I wish. No, but I love those. So those are the hydrogel patches for your under eye area. You can actually put the patches already on because I love those actually. I have very strong eye bags, I feel like. We have it in the family. My mom had those. My grandma had those. My grandma, she had it even paraded back in the days. She literally got them cut away like 25 years ago. And I remember she came back and she had some problems that she was losing so much blood. She went to the surgery actually with her friend. The friend, you know, she didn't have any complications, but my grandma had complications. She was bleeding a lot. The eyes were bleeding a lot. And then she came home literally like a mummy. Her whole head was wrapped. It looked very scary. So this feels so good. Actually, those are like sitting good on the eye area. We are getting to the number 10. So number 10 is literally nail filer. Yeah. 11. What are we getting there? Color changing lip gloss. Look at this. So it's like purple actually. I don't know. I don't see anything. I mean, it feels good on the lips. Number 12. And we got there some mirror. Now I can see the lips actually. 13 is gold chili face mask with the hyaluronic acid and peptides. Peptides? I have no idea what is peptides. Number 14 is, oh no, top liner, cat liner. How does this work? Let's go to number 15. Number 15 is a lip scrub. I have never done lip scrub, so you're supposed to scrub your lips with it. Probably. Wait a minute. My lips are actually burning after this changing lip color gloss. That's not a good sign. I mean, it's scrubbing a little bit. So now I have it even inside of the mouth. So number 16 are stones like stars, dots and moon. Number 17. Mascara, I see it already. here. It doesn't look like there is much product in it. Number 18. Sponge. It feels a little bit cheap. I mean, I don't expect much for this price. What we paid for this calendar? What is this? Eyeshadow primer. I have never ever tried eyeshadow primer, I feel like. I always use concealer for my primer. We will try it later. 20. We are getting to the end. We have some hair clips. Looks cute, I guess. Number 21. That must be the eyeshadow palette. Yes, it's the eyeshadow palette. You have there 6 shades, and I am happy about those shades. I feel like they are really cute. You have there also like shimmery, glittery shades. 22 is really thin. Some brush for the eyeshadows. I don't think this is good quality. 23 is right here. Alright, that looks like some bronzer. Look at this. Not bad. It's gonna be all about how pigmented it is. And the last one, 24. Lip gloss. Marble lip gloss. It's time to test the products. We don't need this anymore. Definitely feels good. I'm thinking actually I'm gonna use my foundation really quickly so we have some base and we actually can try the setting powder. So let's do foundation. Here we go. I need some mirror, I guess. Here's my mirror. We are gonna start with the setting powder. So we set our makeup, right? For that I'm gonna use the sponge, what was in there. And then I am gonna use this setting powder. I guess I will just go over the makeup like that. Or we could like set it with a brush like this. I don't know if it's better to use the sponge for the setting powder or actually the brush. I feel like it's a little bit more matte. I guess it's always those little things and then at the end the makeup looks better. I just feel my lips are really dry and I feel like those glosses are not hydrating. Makeup set. I guess for the next one we are gonna try the eye primer. I will just put it over with my finger. Let's do the primer just on this eye and let's see what is the difference. The primer is burning my eye a little bit. That's not good. It's definitely burning my eye. Let's keep going. I would start with the lightest color. So do something, not much. I'm just gonna go over with my finger like this, because sometimes, see, you can see it right now, sometimes with the finger it's better, it's taking more texture. Let me do a little bit under the eye. I would say we will go over with the brown one. That looks like something. I mean, I hope I'm not gonna look like someone punched me in the face. It's not that crazy pigmented for sure. I feel like the primer makes it darker, it holds on it better. I also cannot talk when I'm doing this. We will try to go over with the most darkest color on the right. You can see it right here. It's really falling down. It's making my cheeks messy for sure. So here is the primer, here's not the primer. I mean, if you go over and over and over, it's giving more and more a color, obviously. Let's go over with the red color. That one is more pigmented. Look at that one, right here. We can try the red glittery color. It's not that dark like the other one. It's more like orangey, I would say. I hope we can fix this somehow. I think I have never ever had like red eye makeup like this. I feel like the size of the eye primer is definitely somehow better. So I guess this is for the eye makeup, I mean eyeshadow makeup, and we are gonna do some brows. I am not sure about this. Like, you're supposed to hold it like this. I mean, it's pretty similar shape to my brows, so I feel like maybe I cannot go wrong with that. I just feel like I wouldn't use this. It's so hard to keep it in place. I'm going over my eyeshadows already. I mean, the color is okay. And like I brush it like this and then It makes it more smoother, I would say. This is the liner. Yeah, you can definitely see it. Just like something glittery is there. The liner is burning. It's really burning. Why is it burning? What does it mean when that is burning? Does it mean there are some ingredients that are not good? It's burning. It's burning my eyes. This is so bad. Let's just go. Let's just try the mascara. I don't see much product in it. There is really not much product. Let's put a little here. Alright. Let's do this bronzer. I will just even do it, I feel like, in my fingers. It's bronzing, it's bronzing. This is not that bad. Maybe I should just use it with a brush. We are gonna bronze the whole face because we don't have here anything else. We have here just the highlighter. And then let's just try the highlighter cream. And I would put it just even like here. Oh wow, that is very, very shiny. I put it a little bit here on the nose. I used to always also highlight like here, the upper lip. Can even put it maybe a little bit here. And I actually need to do something with my lips. So we have no other option as to take for the lip liner this makeup pencil, which is very dark brown, and I'm not sure if this is gonna go actually like a lip liner, but let's just do that. We are gonna pray for the best. So I would say this would be good for eyes, not for the lips, or for your brows, and then a little bit inside like a shadow, and I hope it's gonna melt together because that's what actually my lip liner does. So we are gonna go over with this marble lip gloss. Maybe it's not gonna do the job what I was thinking. I mean, it melted together. It worked. And even it's gloss, my lips are still dry. You can go over with this one because this one's changing the colors. This one is definitely more glossy, but it's also sticky. See? We have still here actually a few things. Those stones over here maybe. And then the star, maybe over it. And then one little stone next to it. So these are the stones. We still didn't use those clips. Alright, so we are also gonna try those nail stickers on. You put it on the nail like that. It's not holding. Why is it not holding? You're supposed to like do it with the heat or something? Maybe I should Google that.
Today I'll be using these stunning nail wraps that are perfect even for short nails. Before we jump into how to apply nail...
Alright, I watched the video. I did it actually right. You should place it, of course, good on your finger. And then you should nicely press it so there are no bubbles, right? And then you can either clip it or then she was like, I don't trust this. It's actually not like sticking to the edges. She was just... I don't think these are good actually. So I feel like I'm not gonna do this because I don't like this. Because they are not sticking like properly. Sorry about it, but this is really testing my patience. And I don't want to do this. I feel like those are not good. They are not sticking enough. Alright guys, so I feel like that's actually it. This is the final result. I feel like some products were good, definitely worth of 12 euros something. I have still one more product to use and that's the face mask. So I'm gonna take this makeup off right now and I will show you or tell you the results at the very end of this video. If you guys are here new, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. If you have any tips for me, if you have any comments or whatever, just drop your comment in the comment section below and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Alright, update on the mask. My face feels pretty good. I used the whole mask. It was like very creamy, buttery, this goldish color. It was lots of product in it and I put it all over my face. You should be careful with your eyes, so keep that in mind. And I left it there for 15 minutes. Then I wash it off with a warm water. It felt good. The consistency stayed same for the whole time. It wasn't crazy hydrating, I would say, but I have normal to dry skin. And yeah, afterwards I put my hydrating cream over and my skin feels actually so good right now.